As with any electronically stored information, we highly recommend that you back up your SoundCheck folders regularly. Daily backups using your operating system's built-in backup utility or third-party backup software will provide you with the best protection against data loss. At a minimum, your backup should always include these folders: data, sequences, steps, system, and user settings, as well as any other folder containing data that can't be restored by a fresh installation of SoundCheck. It should also include the SoundCheck INI file, which contains the preferences that were used during your last SoundCheck session. If automatic backups aren't possible, then the next best method is back up the entire SoundCheck folder. If you are backing up multiple SoundCheck systems, you can add the workstation ID or username to the folder name. For example, here in my SoundCheck Backups folder, you can see I have backup folders for 3 production test stations. To back up any SoundCheck folder, simply drag and drop to the backup location and pick a naming convention. For example, I'm backing up my sequence development system, so I'm going to append my name to the folder name. It is also good practice to back up your SoundCheck folder before installing a patch release. For example, SoundCheck 22 to SoundCheck 22.01, where the folder names remain the same. Before installing the patch, copy the current SoundCheck 22 folder and rename it to something like SoundCheck 22 Old. If you are upgrading a major version, say SoundCheck 21 to SoundCheck 22, there's no need to back up SoundCheck 21 as new major versions are installed in their own separate folder. Lastly, it's always a good idea to keep your backups on a network or separate drive in case of catastrophic hard drive issues or computer loss.